Ebusiafo me mobibia akwaba edeba attention TV so filler so ana edrunu nim sensema ekoso ye mamu ha say yes especially social media so ana me de mu nsem ebro nsema wonte ana me de besomo attention TV na me ka wo say won subscribe ya na wa subscribe e de ama me o share so anu asanso a share enso e de ama me din ane akosia sparkles me din nsem no mu nchiremu ebebro mitwa me haba me batisia meda se pa ye se wunya bread twema me twa me ho e de e baaye na ebusiafo me ka wo se ope atade papa agidin anasem paboa watch kawa anana ope bia no obenya e wona Tees boutique Inku shower gel cream no eno so eni nwi na wo so tien wo so no ope human hair I bone straight so a obenya bi e wona Tees cosmetic na ni de na ye ka buma na Tees boutique and cosmetic na Tees boutique and cosmetic e wo ablekuma agape tarazo odi wani ekire hono ma obenya bibia opebia na meka wo so se adoya a wo pe e de aye ama foundation bi no enle enhwe ba bia nkohwe foundation bia for wani epiemu e wo university foundation e ye foundation bia oboa wona wani bi mobro wa ene ajanka ma won so de sere e hye omafunu mu ma bibia toto ye e de ma omo na omo so omafumu e hye ma no mo bon paise nyankopon enhira bibia atede no edi efibaaye na ene de meka o sese wo bibi de ene fa kodom university foundation na me de nsem no mu enchiremu e brewode a ye wo ma mu ha sei aye kana young upcoming artists for you be ya talk esowe baye hu boys be bromo so na beba bakopa ase na say urgent ha urgent dimpa Black Sherif the first sermon by Magana for you so mo impenifoni na ya kase boy ya kola wa ya de papa ye insem ewo ni nyuma oboy ye ondi obi ondi so oni ni nyuma de preaching kwa no de be fa so wonim se ye kwa so le se ye be ma sermon nti obi anfa ni book ne pen ane obi no san so the second sermon esanso edebaya Ghana for so sanso bona basa papa ye esuo mu te se broni nkate obi anu monsen wi opese insane eti free nanum na ne de wo so mu no mu Ghana for budget ne kokufin pon de asembeba ana boy enya ajade no ka se bro nya be kra men shada ntron men me second sermon de menya remix na de remix ye mu nsemba bebre se company for bi ho awo Ghana hanom se ya na nka opese oni omu ye remix no second sermon remix na so o mantimi ambo na so de ni ekopie mu Nigeria okohu Burna boy o genetata ta sa akwala wa start area osuso ne nsa ene de remix e course papa emi ye hu nsa na remix no e trend e pan ye e wo Nigeria na we ana Burna boy e ye ni program na and your friend Black Sherif e wo so na ne Black Sherif ko do ha na nya asem keteketeka na nya asem kuma na de bibia ekoye ebusiafo ye nkwohwe Black Sherif e na Burna boy enso embrazia Allah Black will do yeah man Mejidi se wankasa nya hu ye no eye weni so fe ana wankasa hu se Black Sherif ye Ghana ni obono hu modern papa paye na metwa ensem so ende Rapaholic concert no eba so ma bibia ekọ so pepepe na peni ba ko obepie mu ewo program na se a osanso perform ye ema Rapaholic ni dia ni sa akode obunko to dwe o papa ye nim eye brafo na brafo you say or ye rapper or me mam ho no so or ye beka or ye legend and legend in music I no so no ya papa ba rap so the no size na we no copy mo asase radio asase FM and asase radio o copy mo honum no de rap bi eteto for mebusan for ye go tie rap no embrace ya
o prefer hin chesha obi ansomo da ti sebe empreduasa ti Emponko papa bimpo every time. Tioti. Na kampese akotu ofui osofo akotu ofui enyemiku maba ene di obesu enye di akoko hu bidani ambawu the room poma mene enye naba enye duro no juju enye nkonya menka brofo enche se mente potokasa mente brofo kra enye mi no me yes mi yo bibi ni mi krom kasa de first e ba ni twi a word e be ka 10 years oh yes momra one by one who's next gbonya bese e ba ya wa no bloody fears je wutie ni mpo
aso ide on test
mi bie mu a na ye musesini ebinu se manu ati jama mi ya santini ampa osofo mi yo bibi ni mahu bobrim mahu ampopo maton dokran na ju penti mi sro bobo pa muka ye me nkwada afrim photo tie
nana wanu yam
walai choko diwa pakoko tie
nana wanu yam
amagashi ya ni ho tie we asem sebe maboni bede monso moni wan na mabamo makote jinayie hwe ho entwekeche onim de free sro bank
I don't say that they helmet
tetema cretin pena entwitao kasa hurry up yourself
you go bow
nyanka meto aso
I don't want talk chow
media agenda chia
I
don't want talk chow raps of mama mi muso
siafo megide se wankasa wote rapper obrafo edema Ghana fo ne asase radio phone na owie ye no wan fancy ho ye nim se obrafo e wo music industry na so ye tene nka acha papa paye na we ma omamu akire akasa onu de sese ni wanyi nti onu de na adwa ne se oja ama enkwala na so bi e wo honoma na so no e se Ghana phone na montwen ma ne album a obe release in 2022 busafo yenkoti obrafo embassy.
Are you still active in music?
Well, not really. I think we should allow the young ones to do whatever they're doing. But then,
because
I'm not writing myself off.
You're still in the game.
Yes, I'm still here, and definitely, I know God has granted this. 2022. I will drop an album.
Oh, album.
Yeah.
Not a single, not the EP, an album.
Yeah.
I was a former judge, wankasa what's in your brafo a kind, and I made a sorry swa. I, Muha say, and they say, Obi, Akoko, say fear and panic, Emma IGP, or Radam Pare, and sa a show anymore, do no cry, and then they find the edge. Papa say, this year a police for when Onya Scapa, Papa ye. I saw her, and they say, Obi swear expose to our social media, and then right, or no, so damn Pare, and Sakani, Papa pay, or no, so could them kakra. Then the dampare I am saying na oboduma I am Muha says ye quite prison side I Ghana for one time what home prison for no more I make an acron for a cra ni pay your home prison I mobo cro no akra ne ko wiano now so yeah mobono e will send ya prison for a simi a pack wo ho e wo prison cell honoma I come say some yetiane say ya sabi woja won 9 wo junso wo ye bibia o bibia wo da no na we ana IGP e din stem bi ama police for say no o ye de obi kotuma na sel ba akopɛ enye nipa makomako 25 no embro so enkoye se the set na system na wo pack prisoners egu dan ba komo te se sardine se no police for enhwe se won pack nipa engumu esabiem osanso de sun efreg aban ne se won for weni embehwe prison cells na sanka won betimi a extend the prison cells na moma ankomo beyam ebusanfo yenkotie IGP embra ode ensami ema a police for.
How many people are in cell? How big is that place for 25 people? No, I'm not. How big? Imagine you are one of the 25. Will you be comfortable? Ask you a question. I tell me from. Imagine you are one of the 25. Will you be comfortable?
No, sir. It's congested. It's not congested.
So I can put you there for 2 days. We didn't come to talk about your place as your problem. The problem is you. We have noticed a systemic issue and we want to address it.
Yes.
So be frank with us and stop that old police mentality of defensiveness. It's not going to help anyone.
Yes.
We can't put 25 people in that space.
Yes.
And at times they get to 30, at times they get to 40. And they are breathless. What we want to say is that irrespective of whoever is involved, he's a suspect, he can be criminal, he can be a convict, the humanity of that person is like ours, and we cannot take the dignity of it out. We have to be very humanistic. Very. Because it can happen to any one of us. So we need to push the agenda of ensuring that this cells transformation also takes place. When I went to Asamakesi, what was it? Sherif. You have the cells open, and the fortunate thing was that there was some form of what, a WC. But the WCs are positioned in such a way that if you are using the washroom, everybody in cells is seeing you. No, do you understand? Do you have a WC here? Yes. And it's also open. Because I'm going to go inside there, so don't tell me lies. Because I will enter.
Actually, I'm not going to tell you lies.
So what, do they have a shower there?
Yes, they have.
The shower?
Yes.
And the last time you went in there, the shower was flowing. It's flowing. Yes. The WC is also neat. Yes. Let's go inside.
Ebusianfo na mejina IGP nsami so e dia asori so e wo fila o fila so ai medi ane akosia spa kaso monihwa moniti medase